Hello friends, welcome to another lecture of quantity surveying and costing. In this lecture, we will learn how to calculate the number of blocks in a masonry wall by two methods. The first method is by volume method and the other one is by area method. The same methods can be used to calculate the number of bricks and stones in a stone masonry wall and a brick masonry wall. On screen you can see there is a block masonry wall. The size of the block masonry wall is 10 feet long, 8 feet in height, and 0.5 feet in width. The size of block is also mentioned below. Each block size is 1 feet in length, 0.5 feet in width, and 0.67 feet in height. The mortar joint thickness is half inches thick. Let's start measurement. You can see we can calculate the number of blocks by two methods. The first method is by volume method, the other method is by area method. In both methods, the answer will be same. So, first write here 1 in serial number. In item description, we write block masonry wall. In numbers, we write 1 because we have one block masonry wall. In length, go back to the diagram. In diagram we can see the length of the block masonry wall is 10 feet. So we write 10 feet here. For width we can see the block masonry wall is 0.5 feet wide. We write 0.5 feet. For depth we can see here the depth or the height of the wall is 8 feet. Same right here 8 feet. Multiply all these quantities to get the quantity of block masonry wall. Here we multiplied all these, we get 40 CFT. The quantity of block masonry wall is 40 CFT. Now write here 2, and in item description we write each block. In numbers we write 1 because of each block. Now the length, go back to the diagram. Here we can see the block size is mentioned 1 feet in length, 0.5 feet in width, and 0.67 feet in height. So we write here 1 feet in length, 0.5 feet in width, and 0.67 in depth. Now we add the mortar thickness in length, that was 0.5 inches. So we divide 0.5 to the 12 to get the answer in feet. Here we get the length of block including the thickness of each side. Similarly, for depth we also add the mortar thickness joint, that was 0.5 inches. Here we get the depth of the block including thickness of mortar is 0.71 feet. Multiply all these quantities to get the quantity of each block. Now divide the total quantity of block masonry wall to the each block quantity. Here we get 108 number of blocks. In our block masonry wall, we require 108 number of blocks. Again, by area method, we write 1. In item description, we same copied the block masonry wall. The number will be same for one block masonry wall. The length of the block masonry wall remains same 10 feet. Here, in width, we don't need to write any width. The depth will be same as previous 8 feet. Now, multiply all these quantities Here CFT will be changed into SFT. So we get the quantity of block masonry wall in area that was 80 square feet. Now serial number 2, and right here each block, the number of each block will be 1. The length of the block will be same as above. No need to write width. The depth will also be same as above, 0.71 feet. Multiply all these quantities and the unit will also be in square feet. Here we get the number of blocks by area method is 108 numbers. You can see by both method we get the same number of blocks. Thank you friends, keep watching channel, and for more latest videos please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.